Hi, I'm Ms. Patillo, and I'm going to show you how to use the Google add-on DocHub in order to write on a document or PDF. So these are the steps you need to follow. You're going to go into your Google Classroom first, so that's where I'm going to go. All right, here is my pretend Google Classroom. You will click on your class, so I'm going to use Practice Class. Go into your classwork. Find the activity you're working on. So I'm going to work on this one here. Actually, we'll go with this one here. Okay, then you want to go to View Assignment. Okay, now this is where you've got to really focus, and pay attention to the steps. It'll be quick and easy, and you'll get it, and you'll be able to write on it and turn it in that way. So I'm going to click on the project itself. It comes up like this. I can't do anything on here. I can't type on it. I can't write on it. But what you're going to do is up here, the three little dots, you're going to click on it for more actions. You're going to open this document in a new window. I know it looks as if we didn't do anything at all, but see this little guy up here now that says open with? That's what you're going to use. Okay, so you're going to open with DocHub. It should be an add-on you already have because we sent it out to all Google Classrooms. However, if you don't have it, it's an easy extra step. Go to Connect More Apps right here. In the search apps, you're going to type in Doc, D-O-C, Hub, H-U-B. It's one word. And then you're going to click here and you're going to push Connect. We already have it. I don't need to push Connect. So if you don't have it, this is where you go, push Connect. Then you should be able to open with DocHub. Any document that's a PDF or a Word document, you can pull from there and open it up with DocHub. This way you can write on it. So now I have this and I'm able to write on this using some tools here. These are the tools on your toolbar. I can use a text box. So let's go down here and say I wanted to fill in this with something. The dog is running down the street. Okay, I can move it so it's centered by using this little 2x3 array here so I can center it. If I decide I don't like what I put there, I can just get rid of it by clicking delete. Okay, that's one way. You have a writing one where you can use your cursor to write and make the... This takes forever though. And it looks like a young elementary child may have written that. So I don't advise using that unless you're using it for a circling tool. Okay, so for example, let's say right here it said, is it a pro or a con? And you wanted to circle something? Perfect. That's when you want to use that. I'm going to undo both of those things. You can use a highlighter, highlight stuff. I highlight in this section here. I can recenter it. Oopsies. Move it up there. I can do that. I'm going to undo that because I really don't want to highlight that. There we go. I can make a comment on something. I can use this as my whiteout. Okay, all of these things are ways that you can write on a PDF. Okay, now once you've written on the PDF and you want to save it so that you can upload it to your teacher, that's the easy next step. You go up here to download. It brings up this right here. You click on Drive. Rename it whatever you need to. Make sure your name is somewhere in there so your teacher knows it. So Financial Literacy Mrs. Patillo. Okay, then export it to my drive. It's saved in my drive. So now I could click on Show It in my drive. It will bring up my Google Drive where it is saved. So I'm going to exit out of that and I'm going to show you now. Let's see. I couldn't get into it that way. So I'm going to show you anyways a different way. So I'm going to go back here. This is again my classroom. Now this 3x3 array has your Google Drive in it right here. I'm going to click on that. I will find, there we go. Here's my new financial literacy project I just did. Okay, see right here my title, Financial Literacy Project Part 2, Mrs. Patillo. That's my page. Now I can open it here, or if I want to go back and work on it, or when I'm ready to turn it in, I click here, turn in. But if I just click here on turn in, it's actually not going to turn in anything. So I don't want to do that. I want to load it to here. So I add it or create it. So I can add it from my Google Drive. Find it in my Google Drive. Click on it. It's now uploaded. I've clearly done this before because there's 2 of them here. And then when I'm ready to, I can turn that in and my document will be attached. Okay, that is how you use DocHub to fill in a PDF or a Word document without having to print anything and scan anything and turn it in that way. It's all digital on your computer, no paper. You can submit it that way to your teacher as well. Have a great day.